some of these things are so difficult to address. The famous belief we all have in society is that all of us should grow old to be buried by our children, not to bury our children. And now, most of the people we are losing are young. And so you wonder what is going to happen to this society. And many of them, we are losing them when they are basically just asking questions that are not just logical, but real and necessary. So I feel for those parents. As a parent, I feel for them. It is painful and hurting. To be frank with you, sometimes you hope that in life you don't have to face a situation where you have to address these kinds of things. To look at like those mothers and those parents and all those who have lost their young ones in circumstances such as this. It is very sad, very disheartening. But look, let's not lose hope, because when all is said and done, let's get together, because it's for this reason precisely that we should all cross ranks in an intergenerational manner, come together and find solutions to fix these challenges, and we will fix them. These are not insurmountable problems. These are things we can deal with. I get very sad really when I see, even the language that is being used in circumstances such as this. People are raising issues. What we have seen in the course of the last few days, the language even from the leaders is shocking. How do you address your citizens in the kind of manner that some of our leaders have been speaking? Yet actually you're addressing people who are raising challenges, very basic, straightforward issues and challenges that you need to solve and deal with as a leader. Why can't we even be decent and talk to each other in a responsible manner? Why must we address each other in the manner in which we are addressing each other? The country and really the world now needs warriors of progress, warriors of development, not warriors who carry pangas and rungus. They need warriors of progress, warriors of development, warriors of togetherness, who are going to build unity and create greatness out of our nation. We are looking for warriors who are going to solve our problems, not warriors who will be brought here to kill fellow citizens. So when we are using that kind of language and telling people this way or that way, we will bring those, it's unfortunate, honestly speaking, very, very unfortunate. But look, it's a painful and emotional moment, and while I'm on this, I sincerely feel and condole with those who have lost lives, both in the last 1 year and now. And my view is, I'm going to make my contribution in doing everything that we can to work with everybody of goodwill to sort these challenges out. We can't continue on this trajectory all the time. It's like a very sad and tragic merry-go-round. We have riots, we make promises, we don't deal with them, then we have another round of riots, and the best way we deal with it is describe them and ascribe them to political activity which is not right, and so on. Thank you.